Thank you, Madam Chair. Majority floor for this items. I think the chairman is absent. On leave. I think on leave pa siya, Madam Chair. So I'll be the one who will pass it for item F5, 6, 7, 8. For item 5, Madam Chair, this approved resolution approving declaring operating entirety of calendar year 2025 annual budget of following barangays in the city of Iloilo, Barangay MH del Pilar Haro in the amount of 7,394,342.05, Barangay Burgos, Mabini, La Paz in the amount of 5,337,750.34, and Barangay Camaligharo in the amount of 5,146,840.86. Madam Chair, the above barangay appropriation ordinance are consistent with existing Iloilo ordinance and have been approved by the Iloilo City Budget Office. With this, Madam Chair, I move to pass a resolution approving and declaring operative entirety annual budget of this enumerated barangay. So moved.
It has been moved and seconded. Here no objections. Motion is carried.
For item F06, this is proposed resolution approving declaring operative entirety of calendar year 2025 supplemental budget number 1 of the following barangays in the city of Iloilo. Barangay Santa Rosa, Madurao, the amount of 1,256,467.46, and Barangay Ortiz, city proper, the amount of 400,000 only. With this, Madam Chair, the above barangay appropriation ordinance are consistent with the existing Iloilo City ordinance that have been approved by the City Iloilo Budget Office. With this, I move to pass a resolution approving declaring the operating entirety of annual budget as supplemental budget number 1 for calendar year 2025. So moved.
It has been moved and seconded. Here no objections. Motion is carried.
For item F07, this is a proposed resolution approving declaring operating entirety of calendar year 2025 annual budget of Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay Infante Molo in the city of Iloilo of the amount of 491,170. The Sangguniang Kabataan of the respected barangay appropriation ordinance is consistent with the existing Iloilo City ordinances as has been approved by the City Budget Office. So I move to pass this resolution and declaring the operating entirety annual budget of this Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay Infante Molo. So moved.
It has been moved and seconded. Here no objections. Motion is carried.
For item F08, this is the proposed resolution approving declaring operating entirety calendar year supplemental budget number 1 of Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay President Rojas City proper in the amount of 153,958.61. This respected barangay ordinance is consistent with existing Iloilo City ordinance have been approved by the City Budget Office. With this, I move to pass a resolution approving the supplemental number 1 of Sangguniang Kabataan Barangay President Rojas for the calendar year 2025. So moved.
It has been moved and seconded. Here no objections. Motion is carried.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you.